Morning guys. So we're back out here at the PEPPAZ project. Checking on the patch. Checking on they patched the sidewalk. So I did a rough patch right here, so we're gonna go back over it with, you know, finer cement to kind of make it look nice and smooth. Those lines right there, get those lines out. Dirt is gonna go back right there, and then this patch. So this patch right here. Once it's nice and dried, we're gonna put a nice finish on it, like this, like how this section is. Once we get this nice and dried, we could take those yellow thing down and fill that hole. But yeah, so this is what the inside looks like. It's a mess in here, guys. I'm gonna give it a nice clean today, clean out everything. But see, this is where the bathroom is gonna go. So we got the floors cemented. It's nice and dry. See, dried. This side is dried as well. See, that's the clean out. That's the floor drain. Hand wash sink right there where those plumbing are. Hand wash sink right here where these plumbing are. There's a clean out right there. Floor sinks, 2 floor sinks, and then that one is for the mop sink in the corner. So everything is connected back to the grease trap. So I'm gonna sweep all this into this rubble right here. They're gonna remove this rubble maybe tomorrow. It's now Sunday, so they're gonna remove all this rubble tomorrow. So I'm just gonna clean the whole area, clean all the stuff, get all the garbage into this pile, so when they remove it, it'll be nice and clear space to work. The wall we're building is gonna go right here, and then go back there, walls for the bathroom, stuff like that. Water heater is coming in today. We're gonna be mounting the water heaters right here. So yeah, right now I'm just gonna clean up real quick. Once I clean up real quick, then I'm going to head over to the floor and decor. They're not open yet. It's real early, it's not open yet, so I'm gonna head over to floor and decor and get the corner tiles, the cove base tiles. I'm gonna pick those up. So I'm gonna pick those up, pick up the tin set. There is I could start the FRP like on these walls right here, the walls on the inside. I could start the walls in the bathroom. I could start doing the FRP this back wall. I could do the FRP on that side. Is going to be the stainless steel for the hood, so I won't do that wall. This wall, we could pretty much fix that hole right there that's in the wall. I could fix that hole. I could start fixing this hole right here. They're gonna frame out this. We could start do the framing, you know. So there's a couple of things I could start, you know what I'm saying. As far as FRP, they already ran the, you know, like yesterday's live, you'd have seen it. They already run the duct work already for here. They already ran the duct work for the bathroom. The fan is connected already. See, they got the ductwork right here for the customer area, so it's in good shape, guys. Right now it's just to, you know, once, I mean, it's dried now, so we could pretty much just start do the framing. Framing is next, and then tiling is next. So framing and tiling is what I'm working on. Tiling would be the last. I'm gonna do the drywall first, and then the tiling next, and then FRP. I can start FRP, but FRP goes above the cove tile. So where we have the cove tiles finished, that's where the FRP would start. So I really want to do the FRP last, tiling first and then FRP. So stay tuned, guys. Framing next. Electrical is going to be last as well. We're going to do a roughing electrical because the hood guys need electrical, so I'm going to have them do the electrical for the hood, and then we're going to run the pipes on the outside of the walls. So these 3 refrigerators, they'll have their separate drop for each plug. We're gonna run everything on the outside. All right, so stay tuned. We'll get this build wrapped up. I'm gonna try and wrap it up in a month and a half, start get cooking. So stay tuned, guys. All right, so I'm just gonna do a quick clean. It's dusty in here, so I'm gonna cover my face. Alright guys, so we got our cove tiles. We got the corner pieces right here. We got the inside corner as well. That goes in the inside corners, and we have the 5 cases of the cove base. So that one goes up on the corner just like this. Has the little lip on it. So now we had bought these tiles, concrete looking tiles, so now I'm gonna get the grout for it. So it's right here, 5019 gray. They got this lighter one too as well, but I'm gonna get the darker one. So it's 5019, the grout. So he was saying that 300 square feet, 1 grout will do for the whole entire thing. So I'm gonna get the grout for this, I'm gonna get the mortar for this, and then go from there. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so we got our mortar mix right here. We got the ones for the wall right there. It's a different type. And then we've got, I'm gonna get the white for the subway tiles. I'm not ready for that yet, but I'm just gonna pick that up while I'm here. So stay tuned. I'm gonna cash this out and get it loaded in the van and head back to the restaurant. All right, guys. So we got one load. We got to go back for the other. Gotta go back for the other mortar. Stay tuned. All right. So here we go. We got a 16 bags of mortar mix. Go down this hill. It's heavy, guys. It's really heavy. We gotta load it inside here. £50 bags, guys. £50 bags. And then I have to go unload them when we get to the restaurant. Keep pushing, guys. Keep pushing. We must get done. I'm gonna do a little. Oh, this is life every day, guys. This is how I'm gonna do. Every day, a little bit of everything, you know. I'm gonna do a little video for my yeah, short. Let me do a little short. Set up this right here, so.